Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Back in Stock widget so you can give shoppers the option to be notified when an out-of-stock item becomes available again. This widget helps you recover missed sales opportunities, build customer trust, and keep shoppers coming back for the products they love. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Back in Stock widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Back in Stock. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Back in Stock. Here, you can customize all settings. Button heading. Add the label that appears on your Notify button. Success message. Add the confirmation message after a customer subscribes. Example, we'll notify you as soon as the item is back in stock. Already subscribed message. Add the message shown if the customer is already subscribed. Example, you are already subscribed to this product update. Icon. Select your preferred icon to display with the notification button. Example notifications. Message. Customize your message. Example, please notify me when product title becomes available. Animations. Here, you can make the button more engaging with animations. Enable Add to Cart animation. Turn this on or off depending on whether you want the animation active. Animation type. Choose from a variety of engaging effects. Bounce makes the button bounce up and down to grab attention. Flash. Quickly flashes the button for a blinking effect. Pulse. Expands and contracts smoothly, like a heartbeat. Shake X. Shakes the button left and right. Shake Y. Shakes the button up and down. Ta-da! A playful shake and scale effect, adding fun energy. Heartbeat. A rhythmic pulsing effect similar to a heartbeat. Interval time. This sets how often the animation repeats. For example, 4 seconds means the animation will trigger every 4 seconds. Duration time. This controls how long the animation plays each time. For example, 2 seconds means each animation lasts exactly 2 seconds. And that's it! Your Back in Stock widget is now set up. By customizing it, you'll keep shoppers informed, boost engagement, and win back lost sales, all while delivering a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.